Welcome to Kingsworld Skill Training Center. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can register any name by yourself with CAC. In this tutorial, I want to show you the easiest way and the easiest steps that one can follow to register an NGO. When I mean NGO, I mean organizations like church, ministry, charity organization, association, social club, all right, and the likes, mosque, Islamic organization, and the likes, all those ones that are under incorporated trustees is what I mean by NGOs. I want to show you the easiest way you by yourself that you can register a name by yourself without consulting any lawyer. Now, one of the first things that you do is to have an account with CAC. We already uploaded a video on how to open account with CAC. So if you have any issue knowing how to open account with CAC, what you need to do is to go down the comment section and click the link you see there, so you can have access to the video that will teach you how to open account with CAC. So when you open account with CAC, your account will be like this. Your account will be your account will be like this. All right. Then when you open account with CAC, then the second thing you are going to do is to proceed to reserve the name of that church, the name of that ministry, the name of that mosque, the name of that association, the name of that social club, the name of that whatever that you want to register as an NGO. So if you still don't know how to go about name reservation, you can still click the same link, all right, under the comment section. So you will be able to get access to that video too. All right, so that video that talks detail about how to do name reservation, you will get it there too. When you finish with that name reservation, then you wait for like 3 days or so. Then Corporate Affairs Commission will either approve or disapprove, either approve or deny the name, because the name you can be denied, the name can be denied, okay, and the name can be approved. If the name is approved, then it will fall in here. It will fall in here under reserved. All right. Then once the name is reserved, what you need to do is to proceed to registration. Now, proceeding to registration, you are going to ensure that you do this. 1, go for newspaper publication. You are going to do newspaper publication with the name that is being approved here. Then after you do newspaper publication, you are going to court to do declaration, all right, status declaration for all the trustees. All right, you will do declaration for them. In doing that, you need their passport, you need their signature, you need their addresses, and then there is a form that you are going to fill, and then you will take that form physically to High Court. Don't go to Magistrate Court. Magistrate Court, CAC will not approve their stamp. Go to High Court, any High Court close to you. Go there with those. The declaration is not the type that all those people that used to hang around court areas used to type. No, there is a customized form. There is a customized form that you are going to fill for the trustees. All of them, one form. Before you take the form to the court for them to, you will pay them some money at the court for them to stamp it and sign it for you. Now, if you don't know how to get that form, please click the comment section below. All right, I can give you access to the form, or I can give you the form. All right, then you fill the form and take it to the court. When you take it to the court and the court sign and stamp them for you, what you are going to do is to come back home and then upload. You will snap all those forms and upload them. When you click this reserved, you are going to have access to the application. Then you start filling the form. You start filling the form. Then after you fill the form, there's another area again, constitution. What did I say? Constitution. That area is the area that you need to be very, very careful. Now, there are constitutions that are always accepted by Corporate Affairs Commission. There is a standard that they expect you to write their constitution. So, if you don't know how to write the constitution that can be approved by Corporate Affairs Commission, please contact us by clicking the link at the comment section. We can actually guide you in that, because it is not always easy. That constitution area is where many people used to get it wrong. Then after you prepare that constitution, you are going to fill the form. You will see the column for constitution, copy and paste everything there. After you reach there, you will reach a column where they will ask you to upload your document. So you are going to upload that affidavit from the court. You are going to upload the ID card. You are going to upload signatures. You are going to upload many things as they require there. After uploading the whole thing, then you proceed to payment. Then proceeding to payment, you are going to pay some amount of money, like 35,000 naira plus. All right, you pay, and then after you pay with your ATM, you submit. Then after you submit your application, then you wait for approval. All right. But if you feel that you cannot go through all this stress, better still, we can handle it for you while you relax. All right. Just give us your details. We handle it for you while you relax yourself. When it's out, we push them to you on your WhatsApp. Then you go to any business center around you. Then you print them. Some people will say, Oga, why? What? We need hard copy. We need original copy. No. Let me tell you something. Whatever we send to you, whatever soft copy we send to you to print is as original as the one that we are going to print for you. Because CAC we are dealing with is also, their office is at Abuja. And from Abuja, they send it, they send the soft copy to us. So the same way we print is the same way we send a soft copy for you to also print. We have done jobs for people that are not around us here at all. So we deliver nationwide. Some people will be afraid. Let them not go and dupe me. I don't like online business. Let me tell you, our company is registered. All right? If you are going to pay us any money, you are paying into the corporate account. You are paying into the company account. So this is not an organization that can... we are registered and approved with the federal government. So there is no way we can dupe you. Our details are with the government. So we can't dupe you. So somebody who used to dupe will not register his name. How can we dupe? We cannot dupe you. It is never done. We have never done such, and we will not do it because of you. So if you want us to handle it for you, better still, click the comments, the link you see at the comment section, and you will talk with us direct. But if you want to do it by yourself and you need any assistance, you can also click the same link. Talk to us. We want to make sure that your church, your business, your whatever you are doing is registered with Corporate Affairs Commission, so that you can be able to open account in the name of your church, in the name of your NGO, in the name of your association. Any association you are doing and you are keeping money with individual is not matured. Reasonable people cannot join such association. Association ought to have bank account, and there's no way you can have bank account if your association is not registered with Corporate Affairs Commission Abuja. We are waiting to have you click on that link so that we can talk. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.